Credit Repair Cloud is a cloud-based credit repair software designed to help businesses improve their clients' credit scores. It offers tools for credit repair businesses to manage their operations, track progress, and automate processes. It's a platform that empowers entrepreneurs to start, run, and grow their own credit repair businesses. Credit Repair Cloud comes with a host of features. It offers a client portal where clients can check their progress and communicate with you. It has an intuitive client management system, automatic billing, and credit report import function. It also includes dispute litter templates, a credit repair business training course, and a robust support system. Credit Repair Cloud has four pricing plans. The Start plan costs 179 per month. The Grow plan is 299 per month. The Scale plan costs 399 per month. And the Enterprise plan is 599 per month. Each plan offers different features, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Credit Repair Cloud is ideal for credit repair businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting or a large-scale operation, this software can help streamline your processes. It's also great for those wanting to automate their credit repair services so they can focus more on customer relationships and less on administrative tasks. One of the key advantages of Credit Repair Cloud is its ease of use. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those with no technical knowledge. Additionally, it offers extensive training and support, helping you get the most out of the software. The automation of tasks can save you significant time and resources, while the client portal enhances customer satisfaction. Despite its many benefits, Credit Repair Cloud does have some limitations. The pricing can be a bit steep, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Also, while it offers a lot of automation, it might not be as customizable as some would like. There is also a learning curve, particularly for those new to credit repair. In conclusion, Credit Repair Cloud is a powerful tool for credit repair businesses. It offers a range of features to streamline operations and improve customer service. While it does have its limitations, such as pricing and customization, its benefits, like ease of use and extensive support, make it a strong contender in its field. Key takeaways are: Credit Repair Cloud is a comprehensive software for credit repair businesses. It offers numerous features, including a client portal, automatic billing, and dispute leader templates. While it can be costly and there's a learning curve, its benefits like ease of use and extensive support make it a worthwhile investment. Thank you for watching our analysis on Credit Repair Cloud. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We frequently post content on various software and tools to help you make informed decisions for your business. Again, thank you for your time today. We hope you found this analysis useful and it helps you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, take care.